Question number 4. A square minus 5a plus 6. What is the last term here? 6. 6 we should copy end of column. Now, here we should take two numbers such that product of that two numbers should be equal to 6. Then sum of that two numbers should be equal to second term minus 5. So what we should do here, if you take 6 ones are 6, but 6 plus 1 is 7, we want minus 5. Okay, if you take any one side negative, minus 6 into plus 1, so minus 6 into plus 1, but here is plus 6. So what we should do here, 3 2s are 6. But sum of these two numbers we want minus 5. But here minus 5 is there, okay. But if you add these two numbers, you will get the plus 5. 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So what we should do, to get negative sign, we should take both side negative. Minus into minus will become plus. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now add these two numbers. Minus 3 plus minus 2. This minus 3 as it is, plus into minus, minus, then 2. Now both are negative, keep minus sign and add 3 plus 2, 5. Now if you take any one side negative, okay, but here we want positive sign. If you take any one side, plus 3 and minus 2, you will get minus 6, but we want plus 6. So we should take both side negative. If minus into minus, it become plus 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Now here what we should take here, this we should write as it is. A square minus 5a can be written as minus 3a minus 2a. Minus 3a minus 2a, okay, minus 3a minus 2a, that is equal to minus 5a, then plus 6. First two terms one group, last two terms another group. Then next you should expand this. A square can be written as a into a, then minus 3a can be written as 3 into a, minus 2a can be written as 2 into a, plus 6 can be written as 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. First two terms one group, last two terms are another group. Now check it in the first group, what is common? Here a, here also a. That means a is common, a you should write outside the bracket. Here a, then minus 3. Now here 2, here also 2. 2 we should take outside the bracket, but here minus is there. So first we should keep minus, then 2 we should write inside the bracket a. Now here plus is there, but we took outside minus. Minus into minus, then it become plus. Minus into minus, then it become plus. Don't write directly plus sign here, that is wrong. So minus into minus, plus. Then 2 we took already outside, what is remaining? 3. Now a minus 3, that is common. So we should write a minus 3 one time, then a minus 2. This is the result. Question number 5. A square minus 3a minus 40. Last minus 40. So we should take here minus 40. So here we should take two numbers such that product of that two numbers we want minus 40. Sum of that two numbers we want minus 3. So what we should do? 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Or 5 8s are 40. Anyway you can take 8 5s are 8 5s are 40. But here minus is there. What we should do? Which side we should take a negative sign? Or minus 8 we should take, or minus 5 we should take, or we should take both side negative sign. So first we'll check it. If you take both side negative sign, minus into minus, it becomes plus. So that case is wrong. Then now if you take minus 8 plus 5, minus 8 plus 5, minus into plus, it becomes minus. Okay, minus 8 plus 5 answer is minus 3. Okay, one is negative, another one is positive. We have to 8 minus 5 is 3. Biggest number sign is, you will get a negative, that is minus 3. Here is minus 3. That means we have to use this case only. That is minus 8 plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5. Suppose if you take minus 5 plus 8, it becomes 8 minus 5 is 3. Biggest number sign is positive. So don't take here plus 5 and minus 8. We want minus 3. Minus 3. That means biggest number sign should be negative. Biggest number sign should be negative. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Then minus 8 plus 5 is equal to, now here opposite signs are there. You have to subtract. That means 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Then what is the biggest number sign here? Negative. So minus 3. That means we should take these two numbers here. So first term we should write as it is, a square minus 8a minus 3a. How to write? Minus 8a plus 5a. Minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. So first two terms one group, last two terms are second group. Again we should expand this. A square can be written as a into a minus, now 8 into a plus 5 into a minus 8 5s are 40. 40 we should write it as 8 5s are, not 8.5, 8 5s are 40. Now this one group, last two terms, another group. Now here common, what is common? Here also a, here also a. So a is common, a you should write outside the bracket. Here a, what is remaining? A minus 8. Then here 5, that means 5 is common. So plus 5 outside the bracket, inside what we should take? A minus 8. Now a minus 8 again common, should write one time. Here a plus 5. This is the result. Sixth question, x square minus x minus 72. So last term is minus 72. So what we should do here? We should take two numbers such that product of that two numbers should be equal to minus 72. Product of that two numbers should be equal to minus 72. Then sum of that two numbers should be equal to, here what is the coefficient of x? No number is 1. That means sum of that two numbers should be equal to 1. Right? Then what we should do? 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. But here we want a negative sign. Okay. So now which side we should take a negative sign? It depends upon this second term. Second term, what is here? Minus 1. Here coefficient of x number is not given, means we should consider it as 1. Now here minus 1 is there. That means biggest number which sign is there? Biggest number is here. So we should take minus 9 plus 8. Plus into minus, that is equal to minus 8 9s are 72. Now plus 8 minus 9. What is the answer? Now opposite signs means we have to subtract. That you should keep in your mind. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Now biggest number sign, what is there? Minus. So answer is minus 1. So 8 minus 9. So this is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 is there. Okay. Now this minus 1x can be written as plus 8x minus 9x. How to write now? This first term you should write as it is. X square minus x or minus 1x can be written as plus 8x minus 9x plus 8x minus 9x. Okay, then this same as it is minus 72. Now here these two terms, one group, last two terms another group. This we should expand it. X square can be written as x into x, then plus 8 into x, then minus 9 into x, then minus 8 9s or 9 8s. You can take any way. 9 8s, 9 into 8, 9 8s 72. Now here in the first group x, x means that you should take common. X is common here outside the bracket. Inside what we should write? X plus what is remaining here? 8. In this group here 9, here also 9. So here minus is there. You should keep minus 9. Now what is remaining here? X. Now here minus is there. Now minus into plus, then it become minus. Minus into plus, it become minus. Then 9 we took already outside. Which number is remaining here? 8. So you should write 8 in the bracket. Then x plus 8 again common. So one time you should write x plus 8, then x minus 9. This is the result.